Good morning, everybody. It's Miss Holtman here, just hanging out by myself in my empty classroom. Wanted to give you a video today as we have a 2-day week and we get ready for Thanksgiving. I am asking you to fill out a Google form today as your attendance, and in that Google form, I'm going to ask you 3 questions, and your 3 questions are, please give me 3 things that you are thankful for. 2 things that you wish you could change at this moment in time, and then 1 thing that you want me to know or that you want help with so you can be successful right now. So I'm going to answer those questions myself for you right now. So 3 things that Mrs. Holtman is thankful for. Number 1, I am very thankful for my family. I am thankful for my husband, and I am thankful for my kids. They keep me crazy and creative and going every day. I am number 2 thankful for my amazing students. That will be you guys, because you guys are also my kids. I am thankful every day that I have an opportunity to share my love and my passions with you guys. And number 3, I am thankful that I get to come and talk to a computer screen because I have a job. And it means I, again, get to share my love of learning, which is what I've always wanted to do. So I'm thankful that I am a teacher. And I get to come in here to my very empty and boring classroom, but I still get to teach. So those are my 3 things that I am thankful for today. 2 things that I wish I could change in this moment in time. I wish that my classroom was not so empty because it is really boring, and talking to myself on a regular basis is never a good thing. I also wish that I had a way to stop the virus so that we could be together and not have to worry about people getting sick or quarantined, and that way Thanksgiving would be a little bit more enjoyable and I would get to see my whole family on Thursday as well. 1 thing that I would like you guys to know right now is that you are in my thoughts every moment, and I want you to succeed even more than when you were in my classroom each day. I know that we are supposed to come back the Friday after Thanksgiving. So, we got about a week after Thanksgiving that we'll be back in the class together. But I know that's a long time, and I want you to be successful. So I really want you to know that I'm here. Please don't hesitate to reach out to me and let me know what I can do to help you be successful. Okay? No question is stupid. No question is too big, too small. Even if you just need somebody to talk to, I would be happy to set up a Zoom and we can just chat it out, okay? Please take time to fill out the attendance form, and that will be your counting here for the day, and then get to work on your assignments for the day, all right? I miss you guys very much, and I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Feel free to message me if you have any questions or you need any help today, all right? Bye, guys. Miss Holtman loves you.